You know that little girl that grabs the doll by she grabs the doll and say, "Give me my fucking money," and she throws it at the wall.
Give me your fucking money!
That's an amazing meme, and we're gonna talk about that. Where's my fucking money, boy? Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here, and welcome to another video. And the reality is that I get a lot of people asking me this, like I have these amazing Facebook ads because they download my Facebook ads template, and now they have amazing ideas on how to create amazing Facebook ads. And you can get this amazing lead magnet, cheat sheet, the Facebook ad cheat sheet, by clicking on the link somewhere that's gonna pop around here, above, below, it doesn't matter. And I get a lot of people saying, "Hey, Hernan, I got these amazing ads, but I have 0 sales." Or, "I have these amazing ads, I have a lot of comments, a lot of engagement, but I have 0 conversions. Nobody's actually wanting my stuff." So the reality is that it takes 2 to make money online. And by 2, I mean you need the ad, which again, if you download the Facebook ads cheat sheet, you won't have any issues creating any ads for the rest of your life. Okay, so go ahead and do it now. It's completely free. But also, you also need the funnel. Because without a funnel, baby, nothing happens. So the problem here is probably not your ads. If you're getting clicks, if you're getting shares, if you're getting engagement, if people are actually clicking on your stuff, that means that your ads are fine. Your targeting is fine. Now, if people are not opting in, then you have an opt-in problem. Not an ads problem, an opt-in problem. Now, if people are really opting in, but they're not purchasing your stuff, then you have a sales problem. Maybe your offer sucks, or maybe your sales copy sucks. Or maybe you have typos all over the place, like I have, okay? That's why people are not buying. Not because your Facebook ads are wrong, or your opt-in is wrong. You need to offer something different. No, it's because you have a sales problem. So what you need to do in order to really uncover where the fuck is your money is to go step by step through your funnel and see what's not working. If you change it, by the way, once at a time. So a lot of people, they say, okay, now I'm selling this other stuff, so I'm gonna revert the targeting on the Facebook ads. And you don't know what's up. Like, really, this drives me nuts, because you change a lot of little things and then you don't know what's wrong, what's good, what's right. Step by step. First step, your ads. Are they getting clicks? Are people watching, seeing your ads? Are you getting reach? Are you getting clicks for under $20? Then your ads are fine. All right? Now you're driving traffic to an opt-in page, your opt-in page. Does your opt-in page convert? It's above 20%. That's important. 20%. Okay? 20% at the very least to make money with this stuff called Facebook ads or whatever, right? So 20%. Is that happening? Are people opting in above 20%? If you have at least a 20%, that's fine. You don't need to squeeze another percentage. No, that's for later. Are people buying your stuff? If they're not buying your stuff, that probably means that your offer sucks. So change the offer. Offer something else. All right? If you don't know what to offer, ask them. But offer something else. Lower the price, change the copy, and see if that works. Are people opening your emails? If they are, it's not a subject problem. But they're not clicking, then you have to rework the copy, okay? So where's my fucking money? That's what you need to ask yourself when it comes to, actually going through your funnel and seeing what's up. Analyzing your funnel step by step by step. Because at the end of the day, a sales funnel is that. It's a step of pages that will take people from completely cold traffic, and you're trying to do the hardest thing ever, which is for them to give you money. All right? So have that in mind when you are freaking out about your ads. 9 times out of 10, if you have this cheat sheet, your ads are never going to be a problem again. Now, if you want to know exactly what is your conversion or what conversion rate you should have, how to price your products, what kind of conversion rate you should have on the sales page, on the opt-in page, and whatnot, then you need to download my sales funnel calculator. It's completely for free, guys. I'm not charging you anything. It's just 10% of whatever you're making on this funnel. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and download it. It's completely for free. I'm just going to email you from time to time. I hope that's fine. All right, guys? So have this in mind. Don't freak out. Dissect your funnel, and you'll be fine. All right, guys? So I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.